In this video, I'm going to teach you how to back up and recover your Phantom wallet. Let's get started by focusing on two essential parts. First, obtaining your recovery seed phrase and private key, and then using that information to recover or import your wallet. To begin with, open the browser where your Phantom wallet extension is installed. You'll want to locate the Phantom wallet icon in the extensions section of your browser toolbar. Give it a click to open the wallet. Once inside, navigate to your profile, which you can find in the top left corner of the interface. This takes you to the Settings menu, where you'll select Manage Account. Here, you'll need to click on your account and then choose Show Secret Phrase. At this stage, you will be prompted to enter your password. Make sure to type it in accurately, and then check the box to confirm that you understand the implications of accessing your secret phrase. Click Next to proceed. Now, it's crucial to copy your secret recovery phrase exactly as it is displayed. This phrase is a key to your wallet, so preserving it correctly is vital. Open a notepad on your device and save the phrase in the exact order shown. Remember, this is extremely important for the security and recovery of your wallet. With your recovery phrase secured, the next step is to import or recover your Phantom wallet. For this, open a new browser. Let's say you choose Microsoft Edge as an example, and download the Phantom wallet extension there. Open the new extension, and you'll see the option that says, I already have a wallet. Click on it. Next, select Import Recovery Phrase. You might notice an option for importing a private key as well, but for our purposes today, we'll use the recovery phrase. Enter the recovery phrase you carefully saved earlier. Once you've done that, click Import Wallet, and then continue. This process will only take a few seconds to complete. Now, it's time to create a new password. This password can be different from your old one, allowing you added flexibility. Go ahead and enter your chosen password, making sure it's something secure yet memorable. Afterward, you'll need to agree to the terms of service, so give them a read and click Continue. Finally, wrap things up by clicking Get Started. And just like that, your Phantom wallet is successfully recovered. And there you have it. You've efficiently backed up and recovered your Phantom wallet. Following these steps ensures that your digital assets remain secure and accessible whenever you need them. Thank you for watching, and happy managing.